guys, welcome back to another daily coding videos from Dosen Ngoding. This is the second videos that I use English as the language. So in these videos, I would like to share my learning journey about Playwright. So previously in these channels, I already create several playlists about Cypress, and I also already published a course about Cypress in Bahasa. So I think it is time for me to go international and start creating content in English. So if you guys interested to learn Playwright, you can follow this playlist. So before we continue, you can also connect with my LinkedIn here in the LinkedIn, and let's start the journey. So previously, I already create several videos about Cypress, and I already implement this Cypress in my companies previously. So I think it's quite good, but today I would like to explore about Playwright, where this is the latest framework, I think, that have a good reviews from my college. So let's try how to learn Playwright today. So I think there is very much similarities between Cypress and Playwright, but let's see how to install and how to set up Playwright following the documentation. So let's start. Usually in my course, I also add something like this, the notes in Figma, and then the explanation about what I learned. So you can learn along, and you can start your journey in Playwright with me. All right, so let's read this documentation first, and then try to take notes. So as far that I know, that the Playwright is using Node.js, I think. It is need npm. So before you use Playwright, so I think you need to set up your device to use Node.js and npm, and then after that you can use this command. So let's read this first. Support all modern browsing engine, blah blah blah. Headless and headed. Okay. With native mobile emulation of Google Chrome's. Okay. I think it is similar with Cypress, but I do not know if Cypress support this part, but I think it's just the same. So this is still testing the web app, around web app in Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, and then web app in the mobile apps. Okay, that's nice. So by using this, so we can use this to test progressive web app, I think. I hope so, but I don't know. Let's see. So to start with Playwright, we can install Playwright using npm yarn on npm. So if you want to use Playwright, so you will have to set up your device with npm. All right, sorry. Let's start. Okay. So if you want to install blah, 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 there is to choose between TypeScript or JavaScript. So if you don't familiar with both of them, I think I like JavaScript, but I really want to learn TypeScript, so I will use TypeScript this time. And then name of your test folder, the default is end-to-end. Okay, add GitHub action. Okay. All right, let's try. So this will need internet connection. So need to install the following package. Yes. this one that the documentation explained that you should choose between TypeScript and JavaScript. I'm quite good in JavaScript, but I have not really code in TypeScript yet. So let's try. Where to put your end-to-end test? The default, it said that the documentation said that it is in the end-to-end folder, E2E folder. So just let it to default. The default is test or E2E. So okay, use test. GitHub Action. I don't think I will need to explain to you about GitHub Action yet. So I just say no. Playwright browser. Yes. All right. So this will need internet connection. Please wait a while. So then let's see. Playwright will download the browser and then need it, and as well as create the following files. Okay. Okay. The Playwright config is where you can add configuration, blah blah blah. So this documentation assume that our project is using Composer, but if you our project using Node.js. So it said that if you are running this inside an already existing project, then dependency will be directly added to this one. So I think if you already have projects, then you should run this command inside your project. So it will add something to the package JSON. I plan to use this my repositories. I have a starter code in Laravel and Filament, and I would like to use the Playwright as the testing tool for this one. So I will add this as the case study, but for the example today, I will not install this here, so you do not have to be confused with all the configuration. So let's continue. The test folder contains basic sample test. To get started with blah blah blah. For a more detailed example, check out the test example folder which contain tests written to test Atodo app. Okay, let's open this. So I hope you already set up your VS Code and you will get these things. There is node modules, additional dot modules. After you install test examples, like playwright config.ts. So all the configuration will be here. So this file is important. Do not lose it. Okay, they will use Firefox WebKit on force entry. There's a reporter. Reporter can be set up into something else, I think. It's set here in HTML. Last time I tried Cypress, we have to add a reporter by ourselves, but I think this is already included here in Playwright. And then it's also give a fully parallel test. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, test directory. So if you change this folder name, and will have to be also changed. Okay, then let's see how to run the test. npx playwright test. Okay, let's see. I think we should we go into the VS Code. Okay, sorry. I don't know what will it do. It will running 6 tests for 4 worker. Oh, I see. So if you run this command, it will do the test in headless mode. So if you want to show the report, npx playwright show report. It's nice, I think. Yeah. This report is already in GitHub things, GitHub friendly. I use a dark mode in my setup, so this is in dark mode. Okay, no problem. So let's see why this result is come out like this. So see, in the configuration we use Chromium, Firefox, WebKit, so it will reflect here. So one test, we test in 3 devices directly. This is nice. This is nice. Very nice, I think. In by default, it's doing a headless test. So it will test in Chromium, it will test in Firefox, and it will test in WebKit. So this is good. This is good. This is good. And already have a report in HTML type, and we can check. We can check the details. Okay, see, this is good. This is very useful. Okay. Okay. Nice. So the test all green. It shows that the test is working well. So in all browser. So in one test, you can check that the headline already already show perfectly in all of these 3 browsers. So let's see how the test actually works. See, yeah, this is similar with Cypress, I think. So we have a test suite, and then we have a test case. I think this is a test case. Test case, and then this is what we do, and then another test case, and this is what we do. So this is very good, I think. Good, very nice. I like this. The syntax is similar with Cypress, except that the Cypress use CY and do not use await. So Cypress have their own what to say that they have their own comment. It's use CY, but in Playwright we are in a full JavaScript mode. So we do not have the CY something like that, but we have to always add the await, and then here we have a page. Okay, nice. Then I think this is a good impression for me. This Playwright things. Okay. The HTML test report will be generated, which shows you a full report of tests, allowing you to filter the report by browsers, past tests, failed tests. Okay. Can we... Okay. We can filter by failed, by pass, by flaky, by skip. Oh. This is nice. This is nice because last time I tried, I don't know right now that Cypress is already have something like this or not. The flaky one. So when you being a QA engineer, you will have this frenemies relationship with the flaky test. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Sorry, the flaky test is sometimes a test that works, sometimes the test is doesn't work. So it's just weird things. But in here, it's already able to categorize some tests as a flaky one. Okay, this is nice. All right. Oh, okay. And the interface is a GitHub-like interface. I like this one. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. The interface, so good, so good. I like this. Okay, so far so good with Playwright. Okay, the test report. If you see this is in light mode, this is in this one is in dark mode. It's just your my PC setup. I like the dark mode more. And then we have this npx playwright test UI. Okay, running the example test in the UI mode. For a better developer experience with time travel debugging and more. Okay, this is similar to Cypress, I think. Let's try. Lucky for me that I already learned Cypress before, so I don't have to do some adaptation about how this thing will work. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Okay, this is very similar with Cypress. All right, it's so quick. And yes, nice. Okay. because the test is very simple. It's only open an URL and then check the value of some headings. So okay, but this one is very much better, I think. Log, errors, console, networks. Okay, very good. This one is very good. I like this. Let's also have this timeline things. Okay. Wait, can we interact with this? Oh, we cannot interact with. Okay. We cannot interact with this one, but let's see. Cypress have something. The last time I tried that, Cypress have something like we can choose something and then do the test here. But I think Playwright also have one. So let's continue. Updating Playwright and then system requirements. Okay, this is all for today. It's very nice. So if we stop this, what happened? I think we should stop this from the console. All right, that is the first video's introduction about Playwright, and I think this is fairly similar with the previous one that I tried, the Cypress one. And I think this is very good. The code is just, I think we have to do this frequently. Yeah? We have to add this await frequently, but it's okay. Then let's try another things. Let's try to add this here. So we're going to make this test a little bit longer by adding more lines to the first test, and then let's see, will it works? Okay, or we can also play only one. Okay, so if we see here, it goes here to the playwright.com. Make sure the title, where is the title? Expect to have a title, and then go to another page here. Click the get started one, and then go to the so go to Playwright Dev, and then get link with the name of get started, and then click it, and then expect the headings with the name of installation to be visible. Okay. Let's try another thing, to be invisible, to be hidden. Let's try this. If I do this, I think it will be failed, the test. Okay, test is failed. Test is failing. Okay, nice, very nice. Let's see if we do this in the headless mode. Okay, it should be failing. 6 tests passed using 4 workers. Why is it pass? It should be not passed, because I set this to be hidden. Something wrong already. Yeah. It failing in Chromiums, but success in Firefox. I think there is something wrong. Yeah, this is the test. We already found some flaky one. Kind of flaky. Yeah, it should be here. Yeah, not bad for a first impression of Livewire. Sorry, not Livewire. Playwright. So let's see. I think I can fix this, but let's see how we can continue and learn Playwright and playing with it. Maybe my to be hidden, yeah. Maybe my code is wrong. Alright, thank you guys for watching these videos, and I hope you to subscribe and like these videos. Also have some comments below if you find something that I do wrong about these things. Yeah, and you can join my community in the WhatsApp, and you can connect me in LinkedIn, so we can discuss further about this and learn together about Playwright. So see you guys in the next videos.